welcome back. Okay, so y'all see the title, so y'all know I'm about to dive right into this trade. Right now I'm analyzing pre-market and the key factors that make this setup work. So the market is about to open, so I may be talking really fast, so y'all just bear with me. But if you're unaware, my pre-market analysis consists of evaluating potential price action by just observing key levels, supply and demand zones, and I have the Autotrend Reversal indicator pulled up, and this just simply confirms my analysis. I got a few questions about it. A few people asked how do they add it to their TOS chart. And y'all, this is a custom indicator. It was configured, so if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link to it when I post this video so y'all can check it out. For me, it just validates the direction as an uptrend, or in this case, a downtrend, which looking at Tesla right now, all signals point towards a bearish move. I see candles showing weakness, struggling to hold key levels, and sellers are a bit more dominant right now. And the volume also leads me to lean at the stock remaining bearish, which just further backs my analysis. I'm trading on the 2-minute time frame, but I'll go back and forth between this and the 1 minute because you know you always got to take advantage of Tesla's fast volatility. If you know with Tesla. So that's just okay, so there's the open. So yeah, I also see confluence between a critical support level and the decline is confirming the steady selling pressure since Tesla is trading below VWAP. As y'all can see, that would draw the conclusion to anticipate the formation of lower highs while sellers maintain control. So for new traders, all this means is that this combination validates a sell-off to my price target. So I'm just going to be patient, wait it out. And just from jump, the price action is confirming my pre-market view right away. We can see Tesla rejecting a minor bounce attempt, and now it's slowly but surely showing signs that it will begin to make lower highs and lower lows. I'm just going off one candle though, so we'll see. This candle aligns with the increasing selling and open interest, so I will say that. And you can see divergence in the momentum as Tesla is like struggling to hold above 426 just off the rip. It just cleared that level for 425. We're going to see how it plays. Let's see. It's at 424. Now you can see that upper wick. You see the shadow too. I've talked to y'all about that before. So look at the upper wick. Look at the shadow. And then we'll see how much selling pressure is increasing or decreasing at this case. Let's see. Now I would fast forward this part, but I did get a comment the last time I did a live trade. People were saying, let's see it all the way through. So y'all want to hear it all the way through. So I'm not mad at that. So yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, this part is like the boring part of trading because you're just kind of like waiting. But yeah. So yeah, I can say the rejection of VWAP and it's trending under the EMAs. So in a sense, it's reinforcing the barrier as a resistance level. And I'm more than positive that there's likely to be a crossover just as it begins to break through minor support levels. And that just adds yet another layer of confluence to the setup, which in turn signals that sellers are firmly still in control. So yeah, we'll see. But I will say it's seemingly not even going to retest at this point. It's just a smooth play of the sell-off. But again, we got to wait it out to see. I don't see it maintaining 424 or 425, to be honest. And if it does, it may just be a brief consolidation. So we'll see. Price target moving. Y'all can see I already have it marked so that I'm exited out of the trade immediately once it hits there. So this shouldn't take too long because Tesla will, one thing about Tesla, it will give you some momentum and the price action is very, very fast because the stock is volatile. So we'll see. See how this plays out at that 425.89. Let's see if it holds. Now again, my take profit target is at 417.92. And this is a key previous support level, and this aligned with the liquidity profile and historical price. So I already identified this as an area where Tesla has shown reactions before, and the alignment of the volumes average as a rejection with the bearish price action, it just assures me that the stock will reach this level. So I'm not even worried about it for real. You can see here at that 426 again, it's kind of staying steady. The wick is going to show you the body of the candle as well in terms of the rejection. So we're just waiting for the sell-off. Continuing to hold 424. It may. Okay, so the rejection is kind of steady. Going back to the 2-minute, let's look at it here. Smooth transition, to be honest. Yeah, it's definitely a smooth transition. It's not a whole lot of volume increasing. And then you can also see the momentum is kind of staying steady. So not a whole lot to really discuss. But again, y'all wanted to see this play out all the way through. So I'm just going to talk y'all through it. So this is the play. Y'all can see it again, looking like it's going to form a lower low, but we'll see. I don't know. Candle could play out and just maintain, but again, I still am fully confident that this is a rejection of that 426. It's not going to maintain. This is a sell-off short. The setup is just way too high probability to be anything less than that. So 423, if it holds, we'll see. Also waiting to see the level. I know the EMAs are definitely going to cross because this is not going to be something that okay, so we got a stronger push at 422. Once it reaches 420, it's a done deal. That 420.45 is a wrap. Y'all can see that's not even going to be something to play with. So we're just waiting. 420 is going to be like, okay, cool, confirmation. It could be a stronger rejection, but I don't anticipate it going under 417.92 though. That's my main thing, is that I for sure have that level. So immediately once it reaches that price target, I'm done. Like Tesla is not the stock to play with on that level. So yeah, it's just a matter of maintaining that 425.21. It still has not reached that level again. So let this candle play out, because I'm on the 2-minute right now. So let's see. Let me go back to the 1 minute though. Let's see. Again, watch that slope. The decline from there, that 425 is still holding that level. 424. And again, once it gets to 420, I'm pretty confident. Y'all see that large wick? You see this? That's the sell-off. That's what we're talking about. For anyone wondering, or if there's any new traders out there, and you look at the shadows, the wicks will tell you a bigger picture of the full story, really, of the candles. So again, just looking at it, volume is remaining steady, not seeing too much going on. Even though these are bullish candles, means absolutely nothing. Because when you look at it from here, you'll be able to see they're still bearish. So that's the different story that you'll see. That's why it's important to have multiple time frames pulled up so you can see it from different angles. Right now, it's almost hitting that 420 level. Just waiting it out. This particular setup, again, is extremely easy to kind of spot on the charts, especially pre-market, because y'all can see that candle, that bullish candle right before the market opened. I mean, you could consider it bullish if you want to, but I don't. So so it's easy for me to kind of spot these setups. We're just waiting for it to maintain. Looks like it's doing like a little brief consolidation. Buyers and sellers are competing at this point, but it looks like the sellers are still a bit more dominant. 420, there we go. That's it. So I'm fully confident that it's going to get to 417 at this point, because that 420 rejection was pretty strong right there. So let's see how it plays out for the 419. It may just be a sharp decrease or decline, but for the most part, it is what it is. Seeing the price, going back to the 1 minute just so y'all can see it from a different angle. Pretty steady slope, I will say that. Pretty steady slope. Oh yeah, here we go, 419. There we go with that price target. It's there. It's almost hitting there. Let's see. I don't know if it'll do it on this candle. It'll probably close and be 419 and then hit 417 on the next one. I'm not 100% sure, but I know for sure it's going to hit the price target and I'm done. Oh, for sure. It's definitely got to hit it on this candle for sure. Let's see. It's still maintaining the sell-off. Y'all can see the volume. Still aligning with everything as far as price action. We're not worried about any reversals or anything like that. So just patiently waiting it out. This is the part of trading that people hate, because it's like you gotta just wait it out. Let me go back to the 2 minute though. Let's see. Look at the sell-off on the 2 minute. Look, it's just completely a decline. Completely a decline. Like no question about it. Candles fully aligning with the analysis. I'm not having to worry about anything Volume is staying steady. Decreases there. It's still trading below VWAP, still rejecting the EMAs. So I'm not worried about it hitting the price target. Let's see. All right, looks like it's kind of having that brief, again, that tug of war between buyers and sellers. Still not enough for me to be confident in exiting the trade early. I'm still going to play it all the way through, y'all. That's one of the things you also have to be fully aware of. You have to trade through the pullback. If you see brief moments where the price is going against what you feel your analysis is telling you, don't automatically exit the trade, because I'm not leaving this trade until it hits my price target. And that's not like a foolish thing to say. That's me just sticking to the plan, the strategy. So it'll reject, and I'm just gonna wait it out. Simple waiting game for the most part. It still hasn't maintained that 424.50, as y'all can see. So there is still time for it to reach that 418. But I'm looking at 417, to be honest. I want all that. So that's just me. So yeah, 419. Let's see. 418. There we go. This candle will probably touch. Let's see. See what we got. Rejection is going to be clear here. Yeah, here we go. There it is. Okay, that's the target. So now at this point, y'all, the risk of a bounce or reversal is just too high to play with, especially with the price becoming overextended from the EMAs. So I'm locking in profits and I'm done, like all the way out. So yeah, this is a $7 move. So this was more than enough for me. Y'all notice that the selling pressure is beginning to slow at this point. So for me, this trade demonstrates how combining multiple factors from pre-market prep, price action analysis, and then of course the EMAs and the indicators, all those combined with the auto trend reversal, it's just creating confirmation for the high probability setup. So it's easy to manage the trade effectively and of course take advantage of the market's confluence of signals. This was just a textbook momentum play if you ask me. So yeah. If y'all have any questions, of course, let me know in the comments below. I'm looking at QQQ right now on another monitor. I need to pull up SPX too. So yeah, let me go ahead and end this. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. All right, y'all let me know your thoughts.